Okay guys, so finding the right product to sell. If you want to start your Amazon business, you need some products to sell. And I will show you exactly the products I am selling right now on Amazon and the products that help me to earn more than $1,000 a month on Amazon, just selling these simple products. So let's go there. Used books. So the used books market on Amazon is amazing. Amazon is the biggest bookseller in the country, I think. And the great thing is that people can also buy used books, so they don't need to pay the full price of a brand new book, but they can simply just get the same book as used in a really good condition. Sometimes it looks like new. We will take a look on all these conditions later in the course. There are like 5 categories of the condition of the book, like new, acceptable, good, very good condition. Depending on that, you can set up the price. So how do I get used books? We will have another model on the future with all the details, exactly step by step how you can get all these books to sell on your Amazon business. It's really easy. But let me tell you quickly right now a few of the methods I use. So one of the things I do every week is I go to Goodwill, and at Goodwill they have lots and lots of used books. People that donate the books. So you going to Goodwill and actually purchasing the books from these guys, you are actually helping the Goodwill for the charity purpose and everything. So you are making money, and you are also helping other people at the same time, right? So that's great. On Goodwill, for example, you can get books for 75 cents. All the paperbacks right now are 75 cents. And depending of the location, you can find the hardcover for $2.49, $1.49, depending of the location. Sometimes even cheaper. But I always focus on the paperback because they are really cheap, and you can sell them really easily on Amazon. I had experience that I usually buy for 75 cents, and I sold for like 35 bucks, 40 bucks, 25, 15 bucks. A book that I just paid 75 cents. So you imagine all the profit that we are getting here. And doing this business. And in the same way, you are helping Goodwill because you are buying from them, and you are helping your customer that is buying from Amazon because you are helping them to get a cheaper book, because if they will buy a brand new book, it will be more expensive, right? Another ways to get used books is you can start with if you have any used book that you are not using on your home library, you can just scan this with your Amazon app. And if you don't know about the Amazon app, we will take a deeper look on that later on the course. So you can just send a few of your used books and take a look how it's going, you know. Another way to do it is library sales. I went several times to library sales, and you can buy like lots and lots of really good books for almost nothing. And you are helping the library because they don't want the books anymore. They are not using. They have several copies of that book, so you are helping them to read off the books. And another way is you can take a look on Craigslist, and some people usually donate books on Craigslist. So I also had people donating to me boxes and boxes of books, and I just clean up the books and send it to Amazon and making profit from that, right? So that's great. But don't worry for now about how to get the books, because I will have a complete model on that. Step by step, I will show you how to do it on Craigslist, how to find the library sales. I will give you all the tips on Goodwill and on other ways that you can get used books. Another thing is the new or used CDs. Unbelievable, guys, but there are still lots of people that use CDs over there. And people are willing to pay like high prices for their favorite band and the favorite music, favorite album. So another place where I find really good CDs is on Goodwill. They charge around 50 cents to $1, depending on the location, for each CD. And the CDs are, with the CDs you have more profit than the books. They are a little bit harder to sell on Amazon, but you have a bigger profit. And I will show you later also how you can, step by step, how you can get the CDs, how you clean the CDs, how you send to Amazon, and how you can make profit on that. DVDs, of course. On the DVDs on Goodwill, for example, are $1, and you can sell a DVD for 30, 25, 15, 10 bucks, and you pay only $1. So this is another great way to find things to sell on Amazon. Video games, the thing. My mother has like 4 boxes full of these little games, Nintendo and Super Nintendo. And I didn't have idea if they will sell well. So I just checked on Amazon and I saw that they are selling really well. People, because it's an old video game console, they are willing to pay high prices for the games because they like it. They are passionate about that. So that's great. So I basically ship all the 4 boxes of these video games to Amazon, and I mean the total profit that I made on these video games thing, it was more than $3,000, and I sold all this in 1 month basically. So you need to always be eyes open to opportunities and to product that you can sell on Amazon. Okay. Retail products, for example, Walmart. My wife asked me to go to Walmart and just buy a sunscreen for her for the summer here on South Florida. So I was buying the sunscreen there, and I saw this, that it was on sale, and the letter said it was for $5.98 on Walmart. But so I decided to scan to see how much it was on Amazon, and I saw, and this is actually my advertisement. This is my product on Amazon, one of my products. I'm selling for $12.97 here. But this is the funny things, guy. For some reason, Walmart, the system on Walmart, it was registered for $1.50 each one of these bottles. So I went to the register, I checked the price, and it was actually $1.50. So I got a new card and I got 60 of these bottles, you know, because it's $1.50 each. So I purchased 60 of these, and I am selling on Amazon for $12.97. And this is, I put a lower price just to sell really quick and profit really quick on this. So this is another example that even on Walmart, you can sell these products and you can make money with this. Another Walmart example, guys. Just again, shopping with my wife, I saw a place where they said this was on sale on Walmart. And here's the proof. I paid $2.97 for each. I purchased 90 of these guys. This is one of the bills. I have another one. And I am selling for $10.99 this model. There is another model here that I am selling for $18.99. And it's selling like crazy. This is something for kids that kids can draw on. This is for kids party. They have 24 packs. I mean, it's really great and kids love it. I just gave to my friend, and they gave to her son, and it was amazing. Yeah, the kid just get really excited with this. So kids love this stuff, and it's selling like crazy for parties and stuff like that. And $2.97, I am making $10.99. So profit there. Another example here, guys. This is from Best Buy. Best Buy, this is a Verizon prepaid phone that I am selling for $27.40, and you can see here I pay $2.99. So why so cheap on Best Buy if I am selling too expensive on Amazon? So this is the deal. Let me show you here. If you go to bestbuy.com and you click on weekly deals, you can see here that you have the deal, some deals here, but you have the deal of the day. This is the best thing ever. So you can find crazy stuff here. So in here, I found the Verizon phone, this guy here, for simply $2.99, and I saw on Amazon that it was selling for $27. So I purchased lots and lots of this phone, and it's selling like crazy too. So this is another opportunity. You need to always check this deal of the day of Best Buy and see what's going on here and see if you have an opportunity selling this on Amazon, right? Also, you can subscribe, you can put your email here and sign up, and you will receive daily emails saying, telling you about all the good deals that they have. For example, this Microsoft Kinect for Xbox. The regular price is $99, right? And I already put this on my card to show you because it's saying that see the price in card that is selling for 59 bucks. So it's 99, it's selling for $59. So you have $40 profit there. So how much is this selling on Amazon? Let's take a look. If we go to Amazon and we search for the Kinect sensor, you can see that it's selling for $99 and it's shipped and sold by Amazon. Okay, so you can see that here you can profit with this product. I mean, you need to see if you are willing to invest like $59 on each, because you will need to buy like a few of these, and if you don't have the money to initially invest on this, you can just go for the safer way, that is with these products that are cheaper, and you can get a huge profit, as you see. My goal as instructor is to make sure that you have real results, and to make sure this course is a 5-star course for you and for all students. After this lecture, Udemy will ask you for a review to review this course. If you are ready to review, if you like this course, if you are happy with what you are learning, please leave your review here after this video. If you are not ready, that's totally fine. And if you want to learn more, watch more content before you leave your review, you can click on Ask Me Later, so you will have other chances to leave your review here on Udemy. Your review is super important because it helps the course to grow, and especially to reach more people, more entrepreneurs that like you are looking for ways to grow their business and improve their life with this strategy, with this content. So that's why your review is important, and you can help me and help the course to grow by leaving your review here on Udemy. If you have any suggestion, if you don't like the course for any reason, that's totally fine, and I like that because you can help me also to improve the course. So if you have any suggestions, go to the Q&A session here on Udemy and send me your message with your suggestions. I will be happy to implement right away on the course, okay? To make it better for you and for future students. After that, we are ready to continue with the course.